Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really quick Nutrisystem comparison box review for those 5-day kits. If you haven't seen already, I'll link some of the other ones down below, but I did some unboxings of 2 different kinds for 2 different specific body types, and I want to see if there is really any difference to my weeks. If one actually ended up helping me lose more weight or ended up affecting me in a different way than the other ones, and I'll tell you guys that in a second. I wanted to show you guys the box really quick. Before I tell you how much weight that I lost, I'm going to give you a quick overview on the 2 different kinds of boxes and typically what came inside of them. So this one is the Belly Buster 5-day weight loss kit. This is the Smart Carb Nutrition, but this is specifically for the apple body shape. It says you can lose up to 7 pounds in 2 weeks. It comes with 5 breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. And then it gives you a brief overview of everything that you have to eat, things like cinnamon, brown sugar, granola bars, 3 cheese chicken, creamy cauliflower and chicken, lunches, barbecue seasoned chicken, chicken pasta parmesan, and some power bowls, stuff like that. This is in comparison to the second box, which also says that you can lose up to 7 pounds in 2 weeks. 5-day weight loss kit. This one is the Power Lean opposed to the Belly Buster. Belly Buster specifically because apples keep their weight in their middle, and then the Power Lean is basically for almost every other body type that is more toward the bottom half that they gain, if you know what I mean. What it comes with is some very similar type of things. It comes with oatmeal, granola cereal, and then some oat bars. This one did come with a superpower or superfood smoothie mix, and then it came with some quinoa, so like rice bowls, but then it also came with noodles, yellow rice, black beans, and then it also came with a chicken pasta parmesan, which I do not recommend. It was not very good. Then Hearty Beef stew, mac and cheese. So this one does seem to have a more what felt like more carbohydrates than this one, and just, or maybe slightly just in a different way. Then having a quick overview of all the nutrition facts and the calories from the Power Lean box in comparison to the Belly Buster box. They are very comparable in that aspect, and when you go back and compare the protein, the total fats on both boxes, again, they're very comparable and they come out to be just about the same. The one that I liked best and I enjoyed the most and thought that it was easiest to stick to was definitely the Power Lean box. I just liked the food choices in that one a lot better. Personally, I just really enjoyed the superfood smoothie mix in the morning. I enjoyed the granola cereal and making it into a parfait. I really enjoyed the spicy kung pao noodles for the lunch variety, and then I also had 2 favorite dinner options. One was the Santa Fe style chicken, which I just added some cauliflower rice to, and it was delicious. And then I also liked the Hearty Beef stew, and I felt like this box definitely helped fill me up probably the most. It isn't to say that I didn't like this other Belly Buster box at all, because it did have some pretty good options. One being white bean chicken chili, because I love chili and it was just so good on a cold day, and that was a lunch option. And then another dinner option that I specifically liked from the Belly Buster box was the meatballs in marinara, which I just added some shredded zucchini noodles into, and it tasted just great. If you guys are curious about more of what's inside of these boxes specifically, you can check out my Nutrisystem playlist down below. It's going to show unboxings and it's going to show what I eat in a day on Nutrisystem and kind of how I spruce it up with extra vegetables and stuff like that, so I don't stay hungry on the system. But now that you know generally what's inside of these boxes and the comparisons between the 2, I'm going to tell you guys which one of these 2 is one that best worked for me and if it really did help me lose weight by my body type. So, drum roll please. Ladies and gentlemen, it was the Belly Buster box. So although I did enjoy the Power Lean box much more, the Buster box did end up helping me lose just a tiny bit more weight than the other one. It was a substantial No. Did I lose the 7 pounds on either one? No. But that is in part to the fact that my body's already getting used to Nutrisystem. I've already been on Nutrisystem, and I'm not going to lose weight on the system when I don't have as much weight to lose, on top of the fact that my body is already used to eating these kind of nutrients and it's not as big of a shock to the system. Now in the Belly Buster box, I did end up losing about 2.5 pounds, and then on the Power Lean one, I lost about 1 pound on the next week. So I would say that Belly Buster definitely wins. Have you guys tried this? Do you guys agree? Do you disagree? Have you guys had similar experiences or contradicting experiences? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys are interested in trying this yourself, I'm going to leave links down below where you can get those off of Amazon pretty cheap. And like this, like, subscribe, notifications. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye. And I'm